What's going on, everybody? Thanks for tuning in. This is going to be the second video in the 23 Road Glide audio install. This video, Steve is going to be showing how to do the cut-in kit for the speaker lids. This is the second video in the series. I'll put the link to the other one somewhere in one of these corners, so you can click back and check that one out. The first one shows how they ran the wires, how the brackets that he used for the amps, what kind of amps and equipment that he's using to power the system, and how to install the front two speakers. So yeah, without further ado, check this out, and see you at the end of the video.
Alright, so if you haven't watched any videos about lids being cut, I'm just going to do a real quick one here. There's a ton of them out there. So first step is to tape off your bag. You don't want to ruin your fancy nice paint. So you just get some blue painter's tape, basic painter's tape, put it on there just to cover the bag while you put the kit on here. I'm sorry, not the kit, the template. So we get the template on, get it screwed in place, and make sure it's nice and in place here. Put a couple screws in here. Then you're gonna drill holes, and then you're gonna follow the template and cut it out, and that's where your lid kit's gonna go. So I'm gonna get going on that. I'll make a couple videos along the way as I progress. Alright, so I got the template screwed on, held in place. I got all my pilot holes drilled. Now I'm just gonna have to go around with the saw and just connect the dots here. So I'll stop and make another little video midway through that. I just got a little Milwaukee 12 volt. I got a thin, almost like a jigsaw blade for it. But this is what I'm using to cut the holes. I'm gonna go ahead and I'll do half of that, and I'll show you the progress when I'm done. Alright, so I got this started. Basically what I'm doing is just connecting the dead dots, going around till it's all connected and this piece just falls out. So let me finish that up. So there it is. Get your hole for your 6x9. And just pops in place here. I'm just gonna clean the edges up a little bit. But that's it. The other part goes in from the bottom and screws together, obviously after I remove the tape. And now we got a hole for a 6x9. I just got to do the same thing on the other side and get it wired up. I'll call that a success right there. Very easy to do. Don't be intimidated. Alright, all finished. Got the tape removed. Got it all put on. That's what the finished product looks like. It's got 4 screws. There's 2 small ones and 2 long ones. So just make sure you pay attention. You don't want a screw sticking out of the top of your bag lid. That's it. On to the next one. Put the speakers in, wire it up, tune it, all that good stuff. But progress. Alright, so I got the speaker lids done. And I had to get the wires inside the bag somehow. I don't have the exact template yet for the 10-inch woofer, but I looked online and it seemed like this was a safe place to put the disconnects. Since it's right in that corner anyway, the 10 inch is going to go here. This should not interfere with it. So basically what I used is I bought a kit with these little grommets here. I just drilled the appropriate size hole. It's kind of tight. I probably could have went one size bigger, but it ended up working out fine. So when you line it up, put the bag on, Plugs right in. Put the side cover on. Nothing's going close to the wheel. Everything's nice and safe. Taped up. Water resistant. Should work out pretty good. Then I'll have to, clean up the wires in the bag. This is the wire for the 10-inch woofer, and then the 6x9. But I'll get that straightened out. I just wanted to show you guys how I came into the bag with the rubber grommet. Alright, these are all ready to go. I'm gonna get ready to wire these up, but I just wanted to show you the 6x9s before I put them in. And these are the revised CM69.2. These are the 2 ohm carbon cones. Beautiful. That goes along with the tweeter bridge right there. That sits on top of the 6x9 and makes it like a component set. So they're going in there, so get ready to wire it all up. You can put the black cover on. Get in there.
Alright, I hope you found that informative. Steve's, like I said before in the last one, Steve's a really talented guy. He's been doing this for a while. He's got a lot of experience with audio in both cars and motorcycles. So if you're looking to get some audio installed in your bike or have a couple questions, I'll leave a link to his YouTube channel down in the description below. You can reach out to him and you could answer your questions, or if you want to hear what the bike sounds like, or want to get some work done, you could hit him up there. And he's also got a lot of other videos where he's showing installs that he's done. So I'll put that link in the description below. Hope you found this helpful. We should have one more video coming out, at least one more. That should show the new Cicada cutting kit for the mid base. I think he put a pair of 10-inch mids in this bike, and it sounds phenomenal. We were trying to figure out how we can make it sound just as good, because we tried it with the phone and it's just, no, it doesn't cut it. So we're gonna have to try to figure out a way if we can maybe get the best sound that we possibly can in the video, so you can get an idea of how good this thing sounds, because it is loud and it is really clear. It sounds awesome. If you have any suggestions on how to do that, leave them in the comments below. But thanks for watching, and like and subscribe if you want to see upcoming videos, because he's probably going to help me out whenever I get some time to do the audio in my pursuit. So yeah, thanks for watching, and remember, you only live once, so live it to the fullest. See you in the next video. Take care.